Writing a book is possible. Creating the spark in a reader's imagination begins from page 1. But if you don't keep the reader riveted, that spark can vanish. Writing a novel is like weaving a tapestry of emotion that captivates the reader. It takes a lot of thread and months of work till your masterpiece is finished. It's a daunting task. Where do you start? How do you bring characters to life? How do you keep readers riveted to the page? Allow me to answer these questions and equip you with the needle and thread to finish your tapestry. Embark on the incredible journey of writing a novel. Make your mark on history.